In this video, I'll detail how to take screenshot on iPhone with back tap. So with just back tap like this, you can take a screenshot whether you double tap, take a screenshot. If you triple tap, it's going to turn on my iPhone backlight. You see that? So here, I'm going to show you how to double tap your iPhone back like this and then take a screenshot. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is go to your iPhone settings like this. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on accessibility. Then while on the accessibility page, you want to scroll down until you get to touch and click on that. On selecting touch, just scroll down to the bottom. You should see a feature called back tap. Click on that. Then once you selected back tap, then you have double tap and triple tap. In my own case, you can see my double tap is going to take a screenshot on my iPhone. And my triple tap like this is going to turn on touch on my iPhone. Now, to take a screenshot with back tap, just tap double tap or triple tap depending on your choice. Then if this is set to none, nothing is going to happen on your iPhone like this. So you can see back tap and triple tap is set to none. And if I come here and double tap, nothing is going to tap. Triple tap, nothing is going to happen. But if I come to double tap, select it and then locate screenshots and then choose it. Hit the back button. Then if I double tap, this is going to take the screenshot on my iPhone. So that is basically how to take screenshot on iPhone with double tap. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.